Hey everybody, this is Eric Nam and I'm here in Las Vegas at KBIS. It is the world's largest kitchen and it is a convention for everything kitchen and bath. And guess what? We're here to visit Samsung because they have an incredible booth filled with incredible things and we're here to check it out. So, you ready? Let's go. Everyday sustainability is a phrase that is incredibly important to Samsung. Samsung considers the entire life cycle of products when Samsung creates, from sourcing and production to distribution, usage, and recycling to lessen all the environmental impact that we have on the earth today. For example, SmartThings Energy. It monitors your home energy usage and it provides AI energy mode, which automatically optimizes settings to reduce energy consumed in your home by connected Samsung appliances. So this is one of my favorite appliances at Samsung. It's the Bespoke refrigerator series. So you can pick your custom colors, all sorts of different colors. You can pick your own designs. You can also upload your own photos to fully customize your refrigerator. Hey Sean, how are you?
I'm great, how are you?
I'm doing well, but I'm more excited to ask you about this beautiful family hub with this massive screen on it.
This is the Samsung Bespoke Family Hub Plus. This screen is 40% larger than the previous ones.
Oh, wow.
You can watch over 190 channels on here. Also, they can look at vertical videos like YouTube Shorts. You can play your music,
Amazing.
You can stream your music, like you said, your videos. We have Google Photos on here.
Oh,
so if
okay.
you want to upload your photos, you can do that as well.
That's super
And
easy.
if you have some type of artwork that you want to display, you can do that through Samsung Art Curation as well.
So I'm standing in front of this beautiful, massive screen that I think I would love to have in my home. It's called The Wall, and through The Wall, you can experience the Bespoke Home virtual experience. And what you can do is you can walk around this beautiful virtual home, click on the different appliances, see how they open up, how they work. You can also change the interior colors to see how does it fit with your interior home color scheme, and just have fun with it. And yeah, see, look, that's a beautiful oven. Look at that, the color changed. Magic. Create your own smart home using SmartThings. Samsung makes it super easy to create the most brilliant technological home. SmartThings will take care of things like cooking, clothing care, energy, air care, home care, and pet care. So many things that can seamlessly integrate using Samsung's ComTech. You don't have to worry about anything. It kind of takes care of everything together at once, and you get to save energy as you create your own smart home. So this is a decor luxury brand featuring 3 distinct lines. The contemporary line is modern and simple. The transitional line is modern in design and elevated in craftsmanship. And the infinite line is timeless with intuitive, streamlined designs. Now this infinite oven and the transitional refrigerator have been selected as Best of KBIS finalists. So thank you so much for joining me here in Las Vegas at KBIS. It has been a pleasure to really experience Samsung Electronics digital appliances here in this beautiful showing space. I think for me, I'm walking away knowing a lot more about the importance of everyday sustainability for Samsung, paired with SmartThings and the positive impact that we can still have while using all sorts of different appliances. As I'm sure you guys saw, people here are loving all the new features and the new products, and for me, it's my first time seeing a lot of them, and it's been really, really cool, and I hope you guys can feel that energy through the video, and I hope you guys get to check it out for yourselves sometime in the near future. But thank you so much for having me, Samsung, and I look forward to seeing you guys very soon. But until then, please be happy, be healthy, and I'll see you guys soon. Goodbye.